HDs here, you got Yamahas here, you got choppers here, you got everything here. So we're gonna turn back around, we're gonna take some more look at some bikes. Got the fam out here. I think my grandson, he's falling in love with HDs over here. What's up, Vic Nation? It's your boy King Victory, and I'm out here today. We were gonna be on 2s, but today we on 4s. We're headed to the Full Throttle event in Greensboro. Got my wife with me today, and it's a little bit windy out, but we were gonna take the bike anyway. But we got a guest speaker today, Avery, the Little Vic King. So we're going out, we're gonna make it happen. When we get down there, I'll let you know. I don't think we have to make a gas stop. I'm gonna put it in the GPS and we're gonna head out. Let's go see some bikes at Full Throttle, baby. Peace, Vic Nation. It's your boy King Victory, and we out here today. We almost there. We had to make a gas stop, even though we in the truck. But it's the same thing, man. We traveling, making it do what it do. We headed down to the Spizot, going to the Full Throttle event. We're almost there. It's a beautiful day actually, but it is very, very, very windy out here. So y'all be safe if you're out here on these bikes, you're out here on these 2s, 3s, whatever you're on. Be out here, be safe, man. And I was also wondering why was so much traffic. I forgot that Monday is a national holiday, Martin Luther King. So that a lot of people got a 4-day weekend, or I mean 3-day weekend, so a lot of people are off. So it is a lot of traffic out here, but we're almost there. When we get there, we'll get there.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass bray.
For all time's sake.
Mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
What's up, man? How you doing, man?
Scuba. Just call me Scuba.
Scuba.
I appreciate it.
That's it, man. It's to my YouTube channel, The Victory King.
All right, thank you.
Check us out, brother. I see you here. I see you representing. Yes, sir.
I think I'm the only one in here, so I might have a chance.
Yeah.
There's a victory category saying I'm being told I'm the only one.
Oh wow! I should have brought one. I got two, but I'm in the truck today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but she's sweet.
Oh, thank you.
How long you had it?
Since 14.
Since 14?
Yeah, 2014. Okay. It started off as a highball.
Oh, okay.
If you're familiar with the bobber.
Yeah.
But she's fun. Probably the frame, the tank, and the handlebars, the motor, the only thing that's original.
Oh, okay.
I was able to find the Arlen nest, front and back. A year later, I found the matching rotor.
Yeah, sweet.
The rotor has the engraving in it as well.
Okay.
A lot of people help. Got Ricky Graffio, Dave Pedinsky.
Yeah, she's bad.
Ben out of Chicago, Ben Lowe.
What's up, it's your boy Big King. I'm out here, man. I did something stupid. I should have brought my jacket. I got the patches. Instead of taking somebody else, I could have brought them down to this event and got my patches done today while we wait. So it's a patch guy over here, and we're gonna try to see what we see out here. But you got a few people watching the show. Trying to get us copywritten, but we're not going out like that. We're gonna turn around and see some more bikes, baby.
I ran up on another brother from another mother from the victory side, baby.
So you got a victory. What you got?
Cross country.
Cross country. What year?
2011.
2011 cross country. And what you think about it?
I love it.
You love it, right?
Love it. I wouldn't have no other bike.
So you know what you got. What's your name?
Jimmy Smith.
Jimmy Smith. And what's the bike's name?
Oh, the bike's name, Side Piece.
Side Piece? Okay. Well, look, this is my chip. Let me give you a poker chip. This to my channel. I got a victory channel on YouTube. It's called The Victory King. And you're gonna be on there, brother. So go on there and check me out. Subscribe to me. Come on down. Yeah.
You gonna do the Helen, Georgia thing?
I'm not gonna. I don't know if I'm gonna go that far. I think we're gonna do. It's another event coming up in June, a victory event. It's gonna be in DC. It's gonna be in DC. So it's gonna be on my channel. I'm actually just started promoting it. So it's gonna be in DC. It's gonna be a 3-day event. So it's gonna be from June 6th, 7th, and 8th.
The other one is Helen, Georgia.
You got Helen, Georgia, and then you got another one in Louisiana. Yeah, the Black Victory Riders. But this is Black Victory Riders. This one's gonna be in DC. So we're gonna go to. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go to the Black Museum, National Black Museum, and then we're also going to. It's gonna be 2 days of events. Friday night will be the meet and greet, and then Saturday it'll be all events. Even if you didn't do nothing to your bike, it's gonna be an event for you. And then it's gonna be for all bikes, but it's a victory event. but you know, a lot of my buddies all drive, they got HDs, you know what I mean, and BMW, so just tell everybody to come, but I'm gonna try to put something together where we leave from here and head up, all right? All right, so I'll get your information, man, we hook up. Yeah, definitely. They try to get us copyright, but it's your boy Vic King. We had the Full Throttle event. It's an event for every bike, sound competition. You got 3-wheelers, you got 2-wheelers, you got everything here except for slingshots. But you got HDs here, you got Yamahas here, you got choppers here, you got everything here. So we're gonna turn back around, we're gonna take some more look at some bikes. Got the fam out here. I think my grandson, he's falling in love with HDs over here. But we're gonna do what we gotta do, man. I should have brought the Vic, because from what I see, I only see one out here, and you know how we do it. If we do it, we gotta do it. We're gonna do it big. Appreciate it. Flip it around, baby. She stay cold. You know we had to represent. We Vic down. We only saw one victory in the whole building. That means I should have put my bike in this event and maybe took something to the crib. But we'll see you when we get the mics. Peace, Vic Nation. All right, Vic Nation, we just made it to Mike's Vegan. He was actually around the corner. I've been trying to get down here for a minute, but never got down here. I got the family with me, so we about to go in here and do it big, vegan style. Let's see what's going on with Mike's. Mike got the new paint job going. Is it good, baby? Is it good?
Yeah. You got yourself some.
It's good. A little Maximo, you know, I go with the dogs, baby. I can get a burger at the house. All right, so we're about to finish this thing up. Head to the crib. Got some studying to do. Had a day out with the family. Family out here with us today. But we about to head to the crib, man. I see you when we see you. Thanks for hanging out with us at the Full Throttle Show. Thanks for coming down to Mike's Vegan Grill. Don't forget to come down here and hit him up. Get your vegan on this year. Watch your gut, baby. Like I gotta say, if you buy one, no, I messed up. If you ride one, you own one. If you own one, you have two. Peace, Vic Nation.